What's up, everybody? GreyMan here. So today on Geared Up Wednesday, I'm going to attempt the old Dakota Fire Hole and see what I can come up with. This will be my first attempt, so we'll see how it goes. I did watch a lot of content, and the one that stood out to me was the I think the gray bearded Green Beret. So I want to kind of use his way of doing it. So we'll see what happens, man. So join me on this journey and just see where it goes, you know what I'm saying? All right, see you guys in a bit. What's up, guys? So I think I might have found a decent spot. It's not exactly ideal, but like I said, this is not going to be a huge Dakota hole, fire hole. It's going to be kind of small, just to kind of test the theory, and I mean, not theory, but you get what I'm saying, the skill itself, and see if I'm capable of doing so and building it correctly without having too many issues. Now, what I'm going to do, because I'm assuming I'm kind of going to just do like a voiceover or something like that, because I'm not going to be able to talk to the camera while I'm trying to do, you know, dig the hole and whatnot. And then maybe I'll stop here and there and make some comments, or just do like a voiceover for commentary in regards to the video itself. You know what I mean? All right. So I'll show you the spot that I picked, and we'll go from there. All right. So basically, I'm going to go right there and dig my two holes. One, my main fire pit hole, and then my my other secondary hole for the oxygen to come in. So I'm going to go ahead and set up my cameras and get all that set away for you guys, or set up, and let's see what happens. If I can tell you anything about this, is make sure you have backup, let's say, ways to dig. Make sure you have your knife. I mean, I had to use, and you're not really supposed to use your knife in dirt, but I had to use my Gerber to cut through some stuff and push through that hole. Most of the sticks around here are very dead, and I would try to use that to punch the hole through, that bridge there, you know, from the main hole into the oxygen hole. But my Gerber was easier. So anyways, I'm probably making mistakes and whatnot, but it is what it is, and I'm out here trying, and that's all that matters, is practicing these skills. All right, so let me go gather some wood and whatnot, and you don't really need a lot of wood for these guys, because you want it to stay pretty much low to the ground, and you don't want some big flames popping out of there and whatnot. But yeah, man, definitely learn some things, especially when you go near trees. There's a lot of roots, so you kind of have to come across those issues as you practice this stuff. Anyways, let me go ahead and grab some stuff and see if we can get this bad boy going. All right, see you guys here shortly. All right, so what I did is I put a base down there to put my fire starting material down there, so there's a base so that the fire sits on. And over here I got my little bird's nest that I'm going to apply my ferro rod and whatnot and get this bad boy started. And of course you want to have some fuel set up and ready to go. Again, I'm not using a lot of fuel because I'm not going to be making some massive flame, but just to kind of show you my first attempt at building a Dakota Fire Hole. Okay, as you can see there, I got that started now, and now I'm going to add a little bit of some kindling to that to make sure it stays going and we have a decent heat in there. Now if you look, alright, so got everything going. Basically it's been simmering for a while, and I put a grate over it, like a cooking grate, and I'll show you guys that here in a second, to put my thing on. Some people will use a piece of wood or whatever they want to use, you know, like some sticks to rest their pot or whatever they're going to be using to cook on. Now, reminder, these are not for to warm you up. This is basically a low profile, you know, pit fire, you know, to, let's say, heat some water up, you know, for filtrate. You know, you want to boil some water to clean it. You want to boil some water in a pot or whatnot, and that's what we're going to do. And yeah, so again, this is my first attempt. So far so good, and I'll give you guys a close-up of that here in just a second. All right, appreciate you guys you know, joining me on this journey. It's been quite intriguing, and I've learned a lot, I'll tell you that. Alright, so I've removed the grate. It took the water about, I don't know, about 6.5, 7 minutes to boil. I got the water over here cooling. But I'm going to go ahead and cover this up and start that process of kind of like, I guess I really didn't do a good job of covering my tracks, but like I said, it's my first attempt and I did learn a lot. So we're going to start covering this. I'm going to use the water actually to put this out. And that's going to saturate that really good in there. Once I put the sand back on there, it'll make it like mud. Alright, so here's the spot where I had the fire hole at. And I'm going to go ahead and try to, you know, minimize my footprint per se. And I'll show you guys when I'm done, you know, playing around with some of these, this debris in this area. Just to kind of like make it look like nobody was here. Or at least the best that I can. Alright, I'll see you guys shortly. So this is the finished product of me kind of like, you know, making it look like it's back to the way it was. Which to me is not too bad when you look at the surrounding area. So yeah, let me know guys, let me know what you guys think down in the comments and stuff. Did you think I did an okay job for my first time? Or did I do a horrible job? Anyways, appreciate you guys. I will do an outro here in a second. Alright guys, so yeah, I'm going to get home and wrap this footage up and call it a day. Like I said, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Suggestions and tips on things that I can fix. The wind is picking up tremendously, which will probably ruin my audio, but hey, it is what it is. It's when you're out here in the middle of nowhere doing videos and whatnot. Trying to stay under the shade because it's a bit hot. And I'm sitting here looking at a branch, and I'll show you guys here in a minute. There's a little frog tucked up under there kind of sleeping and hanging out. That was kind of cool. Anyways, this is GreyMan, and I guess I would say I'm out, but I want to show you the frog, so let me show you this real quick. And then I will cut this video. Yeah, so that was a little frog watching me trying to do a video. I figured I'd share with you. Huh. You hear the sirens? You know we're getting closer to the city at that point. But anyways, yeah man, so this is GreyMan. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Again, like I said, drop some comments or whatnot down below. Let me know what I did wrong. Let me know what I did right. If you think I did a good job for my first time, cool. If not, I'm pretty sure I'll hear from some of you folks who've probably done this before. Again, that was my first time ever doing the Dakota Fire Hole. Also, this footage here, let me know what you guys think, because I'm using this new camera instead of my phone. I did order a microphone and whatnot to get better audio out of this thing, but that'll be here next week, so we'll get to try that out. Anyways, taking up enough of your guys' time today. Appreciate y'all. See you tomorrow night at 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Tomorrow is Thursday, late night with Grey. And I will see all you folks then. This is GreyMan, and I'm out. God bless. See you guys on the rebound.